Ladies and gentlemen, introducing to you a product that has both style and functionality to your space. I'm talking about this dresser drawer. Foldable and versatile solution that's great for your bedrooms, living rooms, closets, and nurseries. The dresser drawer is designed for multi-purpose functions, serving as an entry hallway table besides a sofa, bedroom, or even on your own bed. It's designed with two compartments. We have the small size. A small size compartment is this big, and it also comes with a unique design that is a foldable and easy to fix drawer. In case you need to move it away, all you need to do is hold its unique handle and then collapse it. The collapsibles give it more versatility and uniqueness on the market. Still, it's also easy to assemble. On the big compartment, we also have the same unique design. One, we have its sleek handle. When you look at the sleek handles, it's easy to pull out. It's also durable enough for its own stability. Still, we have a lot of space in here for your clothes. Look at this. Just take it out, just like we did with a small one, and then it all goes easy to collapse. Still, with this compartment comes enough storage room for as many as possible. You can store close to almost 15 kgs of clothes in here because it's easy to move from place to place, and it's also very easy to assemble. Looking at still our sleek design, it comes with a metallic component that gives it more stability and uniqueness to our design. This is a solid metal that is not easy to break. When you're fixing it, you can see it's very easy for you to assemble. Still, on our unique design, comes with an adjustable base that is easy for you to increase or decrease height on any surface. Also, giving it advantage of non-skid, in that even on uneven surfaces, we can easily keep the dresser drawer stable in one place. Furthermore, we have a side compartment that is great and strong enough, solid enough to carry a book of any weight. It's very easy for those who love reading books in your living rooms to keep your books close to you. Still with us comes a flat MDF board. This is waterproof. It's also spacious, and it has great room for you to place your portraits, lamps, or light, or plants for those of you who love living in organized environments. Ladies and gentlemen, this is us.